Hello graphic designers, I'm Zishan. If you are also confused which color to use in your designs, RGB or CMYK, what resolution should you choose? 72 DPI or 300 DPI? I will explain you in this video. If you create new document, you can see these options under advanced options. The first one is color mode and then is resolution. If you are creating a design for digital media, you will choose RGB colors and 72 ppi or DPI if you are working in Photoshop. On the other hand, if you are working on a design for print medium, you will choose CMYK colors and resolution will be 300 ppi or DPI. If you choose lesser than 300 DPI for print document, your print will not be perfect. It will be pixelated. So make sure if you are creating print design, you need to select CMYK colors and 300 DPI, minimum 300 DPI. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel.